Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Cloud Backup failed in Samsung Galaxy A05s. If you're using Galaxy A05s and you're facing the issue that your backup is being failed again and again, so let's see some possible fixes for you. So the very first thing, I recommend you how to make sure that you're connected to the network connection using your Wi-Fi as well as data, or you have to also make sure that your network is stable and strong base, because sometimes it might be if your network is not working as well, so your backup might be glitched or might be errored or might be failed. So you might get these type issues. So the very first thing, just connect to a stable and a strongest network connection. If you have a 5G connection, so I recommend to use that 5G connection here. I'm gonna connect this one, and once you are connected, now you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so I recommend you have to don't try to back up again before doing these steps. The very first, go to settings here and go to software update. Make sure that your software is up to date. Once I've updated your software, go to apps here, click on this arrow icon, enable this toggle to show your system apps. Now go to search and just search for cloud. You might get Samsung Cloud here, click on it, scroll down, click on storage, you might get clear cache, click on this, then clear data. Oh, now once you have done, your issue will be fixed. Sometimes it might be that a Samsung Cloud have any glitch, any error, or any temporary junk file which is making these issues. Now to make sure that you have clear data and junk files, then you can try to forcefully stop your Samsung Cloud app. Now once you have done, don't try to use or take backup of your Samsung phone again before you make a restart. Just scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again. It will make a restart with your phone, and after a restart, you will not get the same issue again. Now this time you can easily get backup of your files, or you can easily use Samsung Cloud Backup without any failing error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.